In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to why Whisk AI not working. If Whisk AI isn't loading or features seem missing, here's what's going on and how to fix it quickly. Google officially shut down Whisk AI on April 30th, 2026, and many of its features have been migrated to Google Flow. In some cases, you'll be redirected automatically, but if you aren't, start by closing your browser completely, reopening it, and going directly to Google Flow. Sign in again with your Google account to reestablish a clean session. If that doesn't do it, clearing your browser cache is a powerful next move. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, choose Clear Browsing Data, and remove cached files and cookies. Then restart the browser. Corrupted cache and stale cookies can prevent modern AI tools from loading their newest components, so this simple reset often solves stubborn loading issues. Extensions are another common culprit. Temporarily turn off ad blockers, script blockers, and aggressive privacy extensions, then reload Flow or the former Whisk page. These tools sometimes block the scripts and network requests that AI apps rely on, so testing with them disabled helps you pinpoint a conflict without changing anything else. Make sure your internet connection is stable. AI image generation and large model interactions can be sensitive to brief drops. Restart your Wi-Fi router, try a different network, or temporarily use a mobile hotspot to see if reliability improves. Browser choice matters too. These tools typically work best on Google Chrome. Older browsers or outdated versions can cause rendering, sign-in, or performance problems, so switching to the latest Chrome release can remove a whole layer of compatibility issues. Region availability can also block access. Some Google AI experiences aren't offered in every country. If Flow won't open or behaves inconsistently, try another trusted network, turn off an unstable VPN, and ensure your Google account region is supported. If you're running lots of generations in a short time and you see a message like, "You are making too many generations too quickly," you may be hitting temporary rate limits. Wait a few minutes, reduce the batch size of your requests, and refresh the page before trying again. Finally, refresh your sign-in state. Log out of your Google account, restart your browser, log back in, and reopen Flow. A clean authentication cycle can resolve token or session glitches that block access. Follow these steps in order, and you should be up and running with Google Flow, the new home for many former Whisk AI features.